Buying gold online. Is it better to buy gold online or in person? This will greatly depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Each choice has its own advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of buying gold online, as well as buying gold in person from a local dealer. We will also discuss investment options that marry the best of both worlds. So make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss it. If you prefer to read the full article, see the link in the video description. Is it safe to buy gold online? The pros and the cons. Firstly, online dealers typically have lower overhead expenses compared to brick and mortar. This often translates into lower prices for you, the customer. In a competitive market, even a slight price difference can have a substantial impact on your overall investment returns. Moreover, the inventory options available online can be vast and varied. You're not limited to what the local dealer has in stock, and you can easily compare prices and offerings from multiple dealers at once. This greater selection allows you to find the exact type of gold product you're after, whether it be coins, bars, or rounds. Another key benefit to buying gold online is the potential to access gold coins and bars in far better condition. To this fact, gold products often come directly from mints or certified dealers, so they are less likely to have been handled excessively or stored improperly. Lastly, the convenience factor is hard to ignore. You can purchase gold online from the comfort of your own home at any time of day or night. While buying gold online offers numerous advantages, it's important to also consider the potential drawbacks this method presents. One of the most glaring issues is the lack of physical interaction. You are unable to inspect the gold personally before buying. Photographs and descriptions are useful, but they can't replace the assurance gained from physically examining a product. Another challenge is the reliance on shipping. While most online gold dealers offer secure delivery, there's always a risk of shipment loss or damage. Another thing to consider, the potential for delivery delays also means you won't have immediate access to your purchase, unlike buying in person. The absence of face-to-face interaction might also deter some gold buyers. Dealing with customer service online, while generally efficient, does not offer the same personal touch as negotiating with a dealer in person. This impersonal nature of online transactions might not be ideal if you value building relationships with your gold dealers. Online gold purchasing also requires a degree of trust. You're trusting that the dealer is reputable and that their products are authentic. While there are many trustworthy online gold dealers, rogue traders do exist. It is essential to perform due diligence to avoid falling victim to scams. Advantages and disadvantages to buying gold in person. As stated before, one significant advantage is the ability to physically inspect and hold the gold before you buy. There is an undeniable value in seeing exactly what you are buying, evaluating the condition firsthand, and ensuring that you are completely satisfied before parting with your hard-earned pay. Local dealers also offer the advantage of immediate verification. You can confirm the gold's purity, weight, and authenticity on the spot, reducing the risk of purchasing counterfeit or substandard products. This immediate verification isn't quite possible when buying online, as you'll typically have to rely on the seller's reputation and customer reviews. In addition, buying gold in person gives you an immediate possession of your purchase. There's no waiting for shipping or worrying about potential delivery issues. You walk out of the store with the gold in your hand, providing a sense of immediate gratification than online shopping. Lastly, having easy access to the dealer in case of any issues is a key advantage. If something goes wrong, you know exactly where to go. This personal touch and direct line of communication can provide peace of mind that is sometimes lacking when dealing with online vendors. Despite the advantages, there are also drawbacks to purchasing in person, the first one being potentially higher prices. Local dealers have to cover overhead costs such as rent, utilities, and staff, which can lead to a markup in the price of gold. This means you could end up paying more than the market value. Another important disadvantage, as stated before, is the limited selection. Local dealers usually have a more restricted inventory compared to online retailers. This can limit your choices, especially if you're looking for a specific type of gold coin or bar. You might not find the exact product you want or have to wait for it to come back in stock. Furthermore, the quality of customer service can vary greatly. While some local dealers might be knowledgeable and helpful, others might lack expertise or push you to products you do not want. This can lead to a less satisfactory gold buying experience. Lastly, buying gold in person doesn't provide the convenience that online shopping does. You have to physically go to the store, which can take time and effort, and they may not have the product you're looking for. This can be inconvenient if you have a busy schedule. Also, you cannot compare numerous offers at once, which you can online. The find a happy medium between the advantages of buying gold online as well as in store. Working with an established and reputable gold investment company with a proven track record as well as consumer advocate ratings and reviews is key. The personalized hand-in-glove relationship of a local dealership married with the online convenience and competitive pricing strikes the right balance. It is no secret gold is an expensive investment and needs to be handled with care. Employing a trusted gold investment company that actively monitors economic trends and market fluctuations has immediate benefits. Also, professional companies can fill in any knowledge gaps and blind spots that you may not be aware of. They also have a larger catalog of options to choose from. They can help determine and guide you on logical price entry points to maximize your gold investment. Also, these companies deal in volume, whether it relates to purchases or clientele. Therefore, you can leverage competitive pricing and the vast amount of institutional knowledge that these companies have. Noble Gold Investments is one such company. Noble Gold provides Royal Survival Packs for quick and easy access to gold and silver. The company holds a proven record of on-time deliveries and reliable customer service to provide continued assistance in the event that there are any complications with your delivery. The company holds a proven track record of on-time deliveries and reliable customer service. Noble Gold offers a range of Royal Survival Packs ranging from $10,000 to $500,000 plus. Delivered to your door and stored in your home, you have ultimate control over your gold and silver investments, as well as peace of mind. In addition to offering Royal Survival Packs, Noble Gold also provides the option for a gold IRA, which has certain tax advantages. If you do not want to store all your wealth in one place, a gold IRA is a secure option. These gold IRA companies utilize trusted custodians such as Brinks and Delaware Depository in order to provide a secure place for your precious metals outside of your home. In addition to taking advantage of timing and pricing, a gold IRA company more specifically can provide a means of owning gold while providing additional benefits beyond that of a small online or local dealer. These gold IRA companies build long-term relationships and have exceptional customer service. However, choosing the right gold IRA company will depend on your unique investment needs, depending on whether you are a high-net investor looking for the most competitive prices or require a lower investment minimum in order to get into the gold market. We have taken the time to review the best 4 gold IRA and precious metal investment companies and have provided links in the description for your convenience. To conclude, whether you want to buy gold online or in person depends on your individual needs. If you value convenience, a broader selection, and potentially lower prices, online may be your best bet. However, if immediate possession and physical inspection are paramount, consider buying in person. Weigh these factors carefully, remembering that your choice could affect purity verification, immediate possession, and possible tax implications. Ultimately, choose what aligns with your investment goals and comfort level. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video content. If you are a serious investor with at least $100K in retirement savings and want to take advantage of the best gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.